Hey guys, I'm Dave with Wickham Tractor here in Greeley, Colorado. I want you guys to take a look at this 2025 Defender Limited HD10. Check this thing out. It is sweet. This unit is four-wheel drive. It's a four-door. Comes with heat, air conditioning, rear view mirror, windshield wiper and washer, custom roof, custom wheels. And take a look at this bed here, how it lifts. Very easy for dumping. Comes with a full tailgate. So guys, get in your car, come on down to Greeley. Let's take a test drive in this thing and let's go have some fun. See you soon.